सब्सक्राइब करो और घंटी दबाओ, नोटिफिकेशन आता।
Hello connections, today marks day 27 and project 27 of my 30 days 30 project journey, and I am excited to introduce my latest creation, a poll system application. This simple yet interactive project allows user to vote on their favorite programming languages and see real-time results. Through this project, I focused on enhancing user interaction and implementing dynamic data handling. It's a step forward in building engaging web applications that connect with audiences. Stay tuned for explaining for source code part of the explanation. Come to the first of all HTML part explanation. So I am taking first stock type of HTML can be specified HTML version. Currently we are using HTML5 version, and after taking one HTML tag can be converted into language equals to English language. Then after head tag can be, there are a lot of methods can be linked up with through the take the head tag. Then after take one inside of head tag, I am taking meta tag to char set of UDF and name can be viewport and content will be with the device width can be we initial scale is 1.0. I am taking off title tag it can be show in the browser tab. I am taking off my project name is poll system, so I am writing inside of the text full system. Then after take one link tag can be accessing with the cascading style sheet page, so I'm writing style.css extension. Then after close the head tag. Then after take div tag can be inside of div tag. I am taking one class of container, so container is a white color, so these are the container. Then after I am taking one heading, largest heading, so I am taking off h1 tag to poll system inside text. Then take one div tag to class of poll, then inside of the text, so I am giving a one question for what is your favorite programming language. So I'm asking to audience what is the your favorite programming language. Then after take one class options, whatever I want to giving the options for the audience to giving a poll of the vote that language. Then inside of nested one div class to option and take one input tag and one label for the text. So I am type of radio of inside of the option 1 and option 2. I am taking total 4 options. One is JavaScript and Python and Java and C++. I am taking 4 options for this one. Then after take one button tag of the two div class of inside to last final one. I am coming to button tag. Button tag can be, I am taking one on click method to submit vote function name. So I am explaining in the JavaScript part of the explanation. So then inside of the text submit vote, so button inside text, so submit vote. Whenever I am clicking the what is your favorite programming, so I'm my favorite language is Python, so I am selecting Python. Then after clicking the submit vote, that Python score will be automatically updated in the below of the scoreboard. Then take one id of the result, so result section this one, so id can be these are this, so id is accessing through the JavaScript page. That part one I am explaining later in the JavaScript part of the explanation. Then after close the two div tags, then take one script tag to source of the script.js, so it can be accessed through the JavaScript part of the. So I am saving .js extension of the script tag. Then after close body and HTML tag, these are the HTML part of the explanation. In the poll system, create a structure of this page. Then after come to the giving a colors and different type of margin and paddings. So I am explaining come to the CSS part explanation. I am taking body selector through giving a background and font family. A background can be, I am taking a linear gradient of to right of orange, white and green color, and font family can be, I am taking Arial and sans serif method, and I didn't take any type padding, so I'm giving with the value is 0. Then display is a flexible display and justify content is center of the browser. The align items also center of the. Whenever I'm giving a justified content is center, that all items come through the center of the browser. And height is a 100 view height. Then take one container. Container means instead of the white background of the margin container. So I am taking off background color of white color, and padding is 20 pixel inside the spaces between the letters and the total titles and tags total between the spaces. And border radius can be container rounded corners of the showing like this. And I am taking off silver color. And text align container and animation is the code animation to the easy of easy out. And I'm taking off animations for this one. So I'm transform opacity of the 0, value is 0, and at 0, and at 100% is of 1, opacity is also 1. Then I'm coming to the h1 of the poll system heading. I'm taking off text color is pink color and font size is 32 pixel and opacity is 1. And I'm taking off class of margin top can be 20 pixel. Is 2 is the question text question, what is your favorite programming language? So I'm the text color is pink color, and font size is 24 pixel and margin bottom is 20 pixel. And then after class of the options is display is a flexible display and flex direction can be I want to column. So I am writing a flex direction is a column, and align items is a center of the container. So I am writing center value. And options of the class can be margin bottom is a 10 pixel. Then input of type radio of display can be I want to type can be displays and none, so it can be displays showing like this. Then I'm taking off label of means it is the options for this all options. So display can be inline box, and margin background color is a white color, and padding is a 10 pixel of the left and 20 pixel is our right. And the border radius is 5 pixel and cursor is a pointer. And transition can be I want to background color is a 0.3 seconds. And the options of the color of black color, so I am taking a options of the text color is a black color, so it will be showing like this. And class of the input type equals to radius, so checked off the plus label. And background color can be pink color. Whenever I am clicking that option, it will be automatically change the background color is a pink color. And text color can be I'm taking a white color. Then after coming to the body selector, instead of the body button selector can be and taking off that several features. So one is a background color, and color can be white, and the background color is a pink color. Padding is 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Border is a none. Margin top is a 20 pixel. Border radius is 5 pixel. And these are the cursor is pointer, and transition can be background color can be 0.3 seconds to transition button hover of the light red color. So showing like this, whenever I am clicking the button, it can be hover is automatically change that color. And id of the result to the margin is 20 pixel and font size is 20 pixel. And color text color is pink color. Display can be flexible display. Flex direction is a column of the, and align items also center of the browser. And options can be I am taking off the display is a flexible display through the align items is center. And margin bottom also I am taking a 10 pixel of the display. And width can be I am taking off 100% width of the result of the below of this submit. And bar of the container flex is 3, and margin left can be 20 pixel and background color is white, and height is 10 pixel and border radius is a rounded corners of the 5 pixel, and overflow can be I'm taking off hidden of the overflow. Then after class bar of height is 100% and background color is pink color, and width is a 0 of the width. Transition is width of 0.5 seconds of is in out, and the percentage, so total percentage value. So I'm clicking that value, the percentage is automatically changing like this, and the percentage of flex is 1, and the margin is left is a 10 pixel, and margin font weight is bold color, and the color is a pink color. Then of these are the CSS part of the explanation. Then come to the final part explanation is JavaScript part explanation. I am taking total to 4 that a list of the 4 IDs, taking off options, option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. I am taking off option 1 is JavaScript, and option 2 is Python, option 3 is Java, and option 4 is C++. So I am writing a dictionary type. So id east of option 1 to text is JavaScript can be vote of votes 0, the this type of. So I'm taking total 4 values. So these are the, then after close that one, then I'm taking off submit vote. I'm already taking inside of the HTML page. So last one, submit vote. So I'm taking this function name, so function submit vote to constant of select option. Whatever option will be selected inside of the name of the poll can be checked. Then after, if taking one condition through the if not select option alert, please select option. Whenever I didn't any type of option will be selected, click the submit vote. It can be automatically show the alert message. Please select an option, showing the error of the message through the alert message. And constant option ID can be selected option of the value, and constant selected option objects is a find of option can be ID through the strict equal to through the option ID. Then I will take one condition to the selected option of the object, and the selected option dot votes can be increases. Whenever I am clicking the lot of times to Python, it will be automatically 100. Then it will be automatically changes for the voted increment. It can be a increment automatic value. I am writing console.log of selected option through the display result for the increment whatever by clicking the voted dashboard. So I am writing one function can be display result constant results of the id. I am writing inside of the HTML page id equal to result, so I am calling that method. So constant result of document dot get element by id of result to inner HTML double quotes. The options can be result through the value display. Then option can be each of option is constant of percentage. Options by vote is 100% and to fixed it is a percentage uh, formula for this one, and bar width formula is a percentage greater than 0, and question of percentage place and percentage place 0 percentage, and a constant of option dot document dot get element by id can be accessed through the div element of the tag through the HTML page, and options results dot class name of option result. Then I am taking off option of inner HTML through the span and div class instead of the bar option text and bar container and bar style width through the HTML page, creating instead of the JavaScript part of the percentage. And then come to the I am calling that method result dot append child of option result. Then finally getting the votes through the function to I'm taking one function of get total votes to return that method. Options dot reduce can be total options and total plus option dot votes can be 0. Then finally calling that the display result to the this one, so showing like this. So these are the, thank you for watching. These are the day 27 and project 27. Stay tuned for more exciting projects as I continue this challenge. Your feedback is invaluable to me. Thank you. Happy coding.